Dewalt are one of the most popular power tool brands in the world, and a lot of that is thanks to the 18-volt XR range. There are so many tools within this range that people can cover every possible job that they need to do on site. And the bread and butter of a lot of toolkits is the combi drill. Now, within the 18-volt XR range, Dewalt have 5 different combi drills to choose from, and that is excluding limited edition and exclusive models. And with 5 different tools to choose from, you've got to wonder, how do I know which one is for me? There are 3 things that you should be looking out for, and that is build quality, motor, and performance. And so we find the easiest way to split these up is into entry level, general duty, and heavy duty. Now, when we say entry level, we mean entry level by Dewalt standards. Now, they make tools for trade and serious DIY. So when we say entry level for Dewalt, we don't mean your regular 20 quid combi drill for your DIYs that you can pick up on the likes of Facebook Marketplace and eBay. So having a look at Dewalt's entry level tool, this is the DCD 777 brushless combi drill. Like I said, it is brushless, so that is a really impressive bit of technology. That essentially means you're going to see much less maintenance with this and maximum runtime. This is giving you 65 newton meters of torque, which is much better, like I said, than the combi drills you'll be picking up for 20 quid. Despite calling it entry level, this is still quite an impressive bit of kit. You have 15 torque settings to choose from, so you get maximum flexibility. And in terms of build quality, you've got a plastic gear housing and plastic chuck on this. Now, moving on to general duty. Now, these are the models that you'll see more and more on the job site, and they are just a step up in power and build quality from Dewalt's entry level option. This is Dewalt's most popular combi drill. This is the DCD 796. And the reason it is so popular is because it is a perfect balance of value for money and power, giving you a maximum torque of 70 newton meters, and you're getting flexibility as well with 14 torque settings and 2 speed modes. But the real step up here is the fact that it has a metal chuck, which is designed for your more rigorous jobs on site. This also runs off of a brushless motor, so you're seeing less maintenance and maximum runtime. And now moving on to Dewalt's newer mid-range option, this is the DCD 805. Now, this once again is another step up in power, but what you are also getting with this is a much more lighter and compact design. Now, this is giving you up to 90 newton meters of torque, and you have 15 torque settings on this as well. But what I really like about this, and this is something that Dewalt have done, from their mid-range upwards, is they have the LED job light at the bottom, at the base of the drill, so it's casting less shadow when you're drilling into materials. But the 805 in particular, not only does it have the job light at the bottom of the drill, but you can actually adjust the angle in which the job light is facing. This is really handy, and it's giving you maximum flexibility depending on the job at hand. Moving on to Dewalt's heavy duty combi drills. Now, this is used for the roughest and toughest jobs on site. If you are looking purely for power, then these are the best options to go with, starting with Dewalt's DCD 996. Now, with both of the next 2 combi drills, first of all, the first indicator, if you were looking to see how much power it's got, is the fact that it comes with a side handle. Now, this is because both of these drills can generate so much torque that you need the extra handle there, the extra support to stop the drill from twisting your arm, because this thing is power personified, giving you up to 95 newton meters of torque and giving you flexibility with the 11 torque settings, and not 1, not 2, but 3 different speed settings on this as well. But what you also notice on the side of these drills is that the ones so far have just had XR on the side, of course talking about Dewalt's XR range. However, this one has XRP, which is for extreme runtime and performance. If you're looking for maximum power for the job at hand, then the 996 is definitely worthwhile. But wait, there's more. If you were looking for a further upgrade, then look no further than the Dewalt DCD 999. Now, it's that code because people, when they see you getting maximum power on the job site, they're gonna have to dial 999, because this thing is a beast, giving you a maximum torque of 126 newton meters. Now, that is equivalent to that of industry standard impact drivers. This thing is unbelievable. This is like the final boss of the Dewalt Combi Drills. It combines all of the technology from the drills that we've mentioned before and combines it all into one. Like I said already, you're getting the power, but you're also getting the build quality with a metal chuck and a metal gear casing. You've got the nice handy job light at the bottom of the tool, but most importantly, as you'll see on the back here, it says FLEXVOLT Advantage. So when using a FLEXVOLT battery in the bottom of this tool, you're seeing up to 70% improvement on power and runtime than when you're using it with a regular XR battery. So if you are looking for maximum power, then the DCD 999 is the way to go. Looking at all of these tools can kind of show why the term Dewalt drill is a pretty vague term, because there are so many differences between these models. And if you want to see all of these models, then you can check them out in the Dewalt Superstore over at its.co.uk. And if you're looking to get a brand new Dewalt kit on order, then the Dewalt Kit Builder is the way to go, where once again, you can find all of these combi drills. If you have any more questions about any of these models, then please leave a comment below, or you can chat to our team over at its.co.uk.